Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so I got a few comments on my last video telling me that you guys are all for the hashtag use your stash. So today is going to be the first installment, the inaugural upload of hashtag use your stash. I'm going to be using a mix of products that I know that I love and a couple of new products, new to me anyway. A little bit of backstory, I did pre-poo overnight again with the Mielle overnight conditioner. I was trying to use that up, which I did. Be sure to let me know if you all want an empties video too, and that can be like a little recap of everything that I've gone through in my stash so far and whether or not I would repurchase. I'm going to start my wash today with one of my holy grail products. This is the Mielle pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo. If you've been following me for any length of time, I've mentioned this in several videos and you all know that I love it. I did recently just pick it up again at the Ubiquitous Women's Expo in Washington DC. I also picked up the conditioner that matches from that same line. Typically after using that shampoo, I don't really need a rinse out conditioner to go through and detangle, but I do have the matching conditioner on hand just in case. After I rinsed out the shampoo, I was planning on going in and finally trying the Miche Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner. With the weather changing and everything, I do want to give myself a little bit of protein. And after I've rinsed out the deep conditioner, I am going to go right in with my leave-in. This is from the Main Choices Exotic Kool-Aid collection. This is the Sweet Papaya and Pineapple Infinite Conditioner. Because I have somewhere to be and I have poor time management skills, I am going to blow out my hair today. I am going to style my braid out with the Miracle 9 Touch of Nature Wrap Set Twist Honey and Avocado Mousse, and this is going to be my first time trying this. In case you didn't know, I am a foam girl. Mainly I use Lotta Body foams. I've tried a couple of other ones that I have not been a fan of. But we don't need that kind of negativity in our lives. So I'm going to be trying this today. It says you can apply it to wet hair, but I typically like to use foams on damp or dry hair. That way it'll give me hydration and give me a flexible hold. So that's the lineup for today's wash day. No need for me to do an on-screen demo of this because you all already know I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair with this, and then I'll come back and we'll finish out wash day with the mask from Miche and the mousse from Miracle 9. Okay, so I'm back from shampooing and conditioning my hair. My hair was actually a little more trifling than I thought. So I did follow up the Mielle shampoo with the Mielle conditioner. And now I'm going to go in with the Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner from Miche. So this product is actually going to be a first impression. I go in with this. If you've watched my recent Miche wash day, you know that I love their products. And I did say in that video that I will be trying the protein conditioner in a future video. This one kind of smells like cake. It's super creamy. So it might be a little bit thicker than their Indulge Deep Conditioner. I'm gonna take a healthy handful of this and work it all throughout my hair. This has some slip to it as well. So my hair isn't dripping wet. I did towel dry it a little bit before I started applying the deep conditioner. So I finished applying the Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner from Miche. It went on really nicely, nice slip, very moisturizing. I did put it on very liberally. The directions say that you can place a plastic cap on your hair and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, or you can deep condition with a hooded dryer or steamer for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse with warm water and then follow that with cool water to lock in the moisture. I'm probably going to leave this in for maybe 15 or 20 minutes with a plastic cap, and I'm going to rinse this out. Don't need to really leave it on for a long time because I did condition prior to this with the Mielle pomegranate and honey conditioner. So I'll come back once I rinse this out so I can go ahead and apply my leave-in, blow dry, and style my hair. Before I do that, I don't know if you all are familiar with It's Trinity J here on YouTube. She is one of my favorite YouTubers, love her so much. She's more of a food dedicated channel, but she often does challenges where she eats a certain type of food for 24 hours. So say, for example, she has challenges where she'll eat a certain color food, foods that start with a certain letter of the alphabet, foods that are certain shapes, etc. When I was in the shower shampooing and conditioning my hair, I realized that ironically every product that I'm using starts with the letter M. Today we're using Miche, Mielle, Miracle 9, and the main choice. Does that count? I feel like that counts. If you all are interested or have any other ideas in this challenge series, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I'll be back once I rinse out this deep conditioner. Okay, so I am back from rinsing out the Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner from Miche. And I definitely feel like it strengthened my hair. My hair is soft, but not as soft, of course, as it was with the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. So I think that the Strengthen did do its job. I definitely saw an improvement in my shedding once I rinsed it out as well. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with my wash day. I'm going to follow that up with the main choices: Exotic Kool-Aid, Sweet Papaya, and Pineapple Infinite Conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my head, and then I'm going to go in and lightly blow dry my hair. So I'm making sure I'm putting a good amount of leave-in conditioner throughout my hair, but not too much. I ain't trying to be here all day. Really working that into each side of my head. And finger detangling, in case you haven't caught on, I'm not big on tools. Do I finger detangle exclusively? No, but 90% of the time I do. I find it beneficial not only to maintaining the integrity of my hair, but also the longevity of my styles. Now I do have a couple of brushes. I have paddle brush. I do have a Felicia Leatherwood brush. I had a Denman brush, but it broke in my hair. Handle just snapped off. Got the leave-in applied. Okay, so I've sectioned my hair how I want to wear it, and I'm going to also section it how I'm going to blow dry it. Now again, I'm not trying to be here all day, so I'll probably at the most blow dry my hair in probably about 6 sections. I don't typically blow dry my braid outs, but like I said, I have somewhere to be, so a good tip is I don't blow dry my hair completely dry. What we're trying to do is dry up the majority of the water in your hair, but we don't want to suck up too much moisture. I literally will just leave the slightest bit of moisture in my hair because, one, I don't want my hair to feel dry. I want my style to last, and that little bit of moisture helps with definition. And I'm going to use my Silverbird Conair blow dryer. I got this from Sally's, and I'm going to use it on medium heat, high speed. Okay, so I finished blow drying my hair to get most of the water out. Again, we're not trying to stretch our hair, just trying to cut down on drying time. Now I'm going to go ahead and style my hair with the Miracle 9 Honey and Avocado Mousse. So I'm going to do a braid out. Depending on how voluminous I want my hair to be, I'll probably do like between 7 and 9 braids. I'm going to go in with the Miracle 9 Mousse. I'm probably going to use, 2 pumps is plenty. Okay, so once I get down to maybe the last 1.5 inches, I'll add a little bit more mousse to smooth my ends and help those start to clump together, and then twist. That way my braids have a nice coil at the end. I don't know when this noise is going to come back. I'm going to go ahead and apply the mousse and braid up the rest of my sections. Okay, so we have 8 braids. I did 2 layers in the back. The bottom layer has 2 braids and the top layer has 3. So that way I don't have that weird part in the middle of my head. Now, because we use a mousse as a styler, this will not take long at all for these to dry and set. To guarantee that my hair dries in time, I probably will sit under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. That'll also help lock in the definition from the braids. So I'll be back for the takedown. I had to put on a lip. Do you see this? This, my friends, is why I like mousse. Hold, definition, shine. So, the Miracle 9 mousse. Loves it. Not repurchasing though. I have Lotta Body. Lotta Body does the same thing for way less. But I will continue to use this. Really enjoy this. Hair is moisturized, it's defined, it's shiny. I also need to see how this holds up. Is this going to give me the longevity that the Lotta Body mousse gives me? But so far, likes it. Anyway, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.